What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be talking about how to turn off the TPMS sensors on your Civic Si 9th gen. You're gonna see that the TPMS sensor goes off. And that's because I'm running a Civic Si 2020 rims. So I haven't done the sensors on them yet. So you're left with two options. You can either get the sensors for the rims again and get them calibrated at a shop, but maybe you want a cheaper option. So here's the cheaper option. Shout out to 9th gen Genie. He comes with a TPMS sensor delete. So I could run any aftermarket rims, multiple rims, and the light sensor will never go on. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, and if you're interested in hitting him up, I'm gonna have his IG right up here. Alright, so you're gonna just have to pop off the tabs from under here, and on the other side it's pretty easy. You could just use your hands and it should come right off. Just be careful not to break anything. So you're gonna have your TPMS box right up here where my finger is. It's gonna be where this tab is. It's gonna be the first thing. So I'm gonna take out that box. It's located right here, just get a better view. And I'm gonna show you what's inside that box. So I knocked the box a little bit down. It was pretty easy. You just click on right here where the middle tab is, and it falls right out. And you just go want to disconnect it as well. So it's disconnected. Wasn't too hard. Here's the little tab right here. And here's your TPMS box that you're gonna have to open up. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to open up the box. It's a little tricky, but it's nothing too hard. I just squeezed down on these tabs and I pulled up on this and it popped open. You do it on each side. Then you're gonna go over here and just press this in and it should come right up. So this is the old one. This is for the factory. This messes up the TPMS sensor. Well, it activates and turns it on, which also disables your traction control. So now with my boys, it should fix everything up. So you're just gonna do everything in reverse and you should be good to go. I'll show you when the process is done. All right, so I just put everything back. I have the old one out here. Let's see how it goes. I haven't even started up. Let's see. Instantly, it's already off. That light was bothering me so much. So there you go, it's gone, and you can now turn on traction control off and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So now I'm gonna show you how it is without the traction control.